guys, super fun video today. We are making pecan pie. I am going to use my mother's recipe. I'm doubling it to make 2. So I'll put the accurate recipe for 1 in the description. I've got some slightly beaten eggs. I've got some sugar. Some melted butter. Some good old Karo light corn syrup. Okay. Gonna throw in some vanilla. Then I'll throw in some flour. I'm gonna let this go for a minute. Gonna crank it up a bit. Not gonna mix it for very long. Alright, that's good enough. So we're going to take it off, and I'm fixing to get my pecans. Be right back. Give the sides a scrape. Give it a bit of a stir. Bowl chew. Toss in some pecans. Kind of fold them around. Now, this is to get my pie crust. Okay, seriously guys, 2 pecan pies ready for the crust in like less than 10 minutes. You just can't get much easier than that for a holiday dessert. Which I did cheat on the crust. I did store-bought. So there you go. 2 pecan pies. So got a 350-degree oven going. They're going to sit in it for about 40 to 45 minutes. And we might just have to have a piece of pie when they get done. Back in a while. Fresh from the oven. Pecan pie. Now doesn't that look good? I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. Catch you later.